Hello mga katarot! Welcome sa ating reading. This is for Aquarius, June 1st to June the 3rd. Ayan, June na, no? So, napapansin natin yung tag-ulan. So, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, doon po yung sa kabilang channel, Zare's Pabaylan TV. Ibang reading po yun, no? And kung gusto niyo rin pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon din po sa kabilang channel, no? So kung wala po kayong time, o hindi nyo maabutan, no, itong live sessions natin, huwag po mag-alala, pwede kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So, kung wala po, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron po tayong form, no, dito sa description box. All you just have to do is to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page and then type in your question, click submit, follow the instructions, and if you also want to avail the private reading, no, dun din po yun sa description box. So Aquarius, this is general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, so take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. Aquarius, parang feeling ko meron ng sabihin natin na kapag muni-muni at napansin niya na mali ang kanyang nagawa or meron siyang maling desisyon na nagawa. Now, I want you to know, this could be you, or this could be your person. No? What I am reading here is a dynamic at yung nangyayari, no, sa sitwasyon, sa inyong relasyon. So, whoever this is, let's say, siya yung nang iwan, no? Siya yung nagloko, sabihin natin, or mayroong hindi ginawang maganda. So, nandun na siya sa either na konsensya na siya, parang gusto niya nang bumalik, gusto niyang ibalik, no, yung dating relasyon na pagtanto-tanto niya na ay iba pa rin talaga, no, yung taong tinitibok ng puso ko at yung minamahal ako ng totoo. Now, with the 9 of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, and the 8 of Wands. So, ang nakikita ko dito is kakausapin ka nitong taong to, no? Pero hindi mo na siya face-to-face. So, ang nakikita ko dito using internet, no? So, it could be WhatsApp, Messenger, whatever it is, no? Pero hindi siya face-to-face. Ngayon, nakikita ko na maraming pangako, no? Maraming pangako ang pwedeng sabihin nito, and which is gagawin naman yan, no? With the 9 of coins in here and the 7 of swords, so ang nakita ko dito is parang ang naging issue nito is nanloko, or let's say someone betrayed your trust. Panloko is very vague, no? Pwede nating sabihin niloko kanya because of a third party, or niloko kanya kasi nagsinungaling siya, no? But from what I am seeing in here is hindi niya na ito gagawin or hindi na gagawin dahil sa mga again, yung na-realize niya. I think na iniisip ka nito gabi-gabi. Aquarius with the Queen of Wands, the Chariot, the Fool card, and the 6 of Wands. So I feel like meron ditong age gap, no? Age gap, it may be May-December love affair. It may not. With the Fool card in here, parang pabugso-bugso ng decision also. No, malakas kasi ang loob niya, knowing the fact na mahal mo siya, pero hindi niya alam kasi din na dumating din dun sa part na, o sige, sumuko na rin ako, no? And I think yun yung kinagulat niya ngayon. I think that there is distance between you. Either nasa kabilang barangay siya, no? Nasa kabilang barrio, city, state, county, country, different continent, what have you. Meron ditong honest communication na mangyayari. And when the sun, I feel like itong taong to is bago, no? Bago sabihin nating umalis itong season, no? Ng sabihin natin na or papasok itong tag-ulan, nandito na itong taong to. Very, very soon, no? Itong taong to ay kakausapin ka at hihingi ng tawad at gusto niyang bumalik sa iyo, no? So, Aquarius, tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong ito. Um, this could be this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Leo, Aries, Cancer, uh, Pisces, no? Taurus, Sagittarius. So this is your reading for now, Aquarius. And again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, no? Sumali din po kayo sa ating live sessions, magtanong sa comment section, or gumamit ng form, nandun po yun sa description box. So love and light, namaste, see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Aquarius.